arsenic in our vegetables. That's precisely what the Bihar government has sounded. In fact, Bihar government has acknowledged now the presence of arsenic in vegetables and crops that are grown near Ganga river. Imagine that produce goes across many states in North India. According to the latest report of the state's Public Health Engineering Department, which was recently tabled in the Assembly, 26% of rural wards in 31 districts out of the total 38 in Bihar are affected by arsenic, fluoride and iron contamination that is beyond permissible limit. Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha, is also holding the agriculture portfolio, and he has confirmed that arsenic levels in certain districts along the Ganga has exceeded prescribed limits.
आर्सेनिक की मात्रा अधिक हो तो इस जल से सिंचाई किए जाने पर आर्सेनिक फसलों और उसके पैदावार तक पहुंच सकता है। विभिन्न फसलों में आर्सेनिक की अनुमान मात्रा की सीमा इस प्रकार है। पत्ते वाली सब्जी मेथी बंदा गोभी 0.1 ग्राम पर किलोग्राम, जड़ वाली सब्जी में 0.3, अन्य फसल में 1.0 में इस संबंध में स्वास्थ्य विभाग से विस्तृत जानकारी ली जा रही है। खंड 3 इस संबंध में लोक स्वास्थ्य अभियंत्रण विभाग, स्वास्थ्य विभाग तथा लघु सिंचाई विभाग के साथ विस्तृत विचार विमर्श किया जाएगा।
Now, earlier the Bihar Economic Survey had highlighted the presence of arsenic in groundwater beyond permissible limits. Now, this may have been found in Bihar, but contamination and contaminated water could be poisoning many other areas, not just Bihar.
I think I will advise all the farmers not to grow the root vegetables, root crops, particularly radish and turnip and all those things, because it gets stored in the root and it goes directly to the people and may affect the health adversely. Moreover, the arsenic is very harmful for the plant also, because it's stunted. It also affect the plant growth also, root development also, and photosynthesis also, and leading to low yield or a bad quality of that particular thing. So I will advise, actually, in such locations, we should advise the farmer to go for either a forestry purpose, for forestry, or you can go for floriculture crop you can grow where nobody eats. And or if you have to grow the crop, then try to grow the crop in such a way that where the root is not consumed directly, or leaves are not consumed directly.
You advise to thoroughly wash your vegetables before consuming.
Washing will not help. Washing will not help, because it is already in the root crop, in the tissue, and it will go to the person who is eating that particular thing. So that's why I'm advising not to grow root crops, particularly directly.
Okay, so don't consume root crops also, I'd rather.